Hey everyone, it's Lisa from DAnaugustnails. Welcome back to the channel. So these are the hands that we will be working on, and you recognize these hands. Trust me, you do. Um, I've already prepped and done everything, and I'm going in with Synergy base. I'm doing a very thin coating of this. And the brush that I'm using is a AliExpress gel brush. It came in a package, I think, of 6. I did a haul sometime way back, but these brushes are just the gift they keep giving. I do it on all 10 nails, and I just do a quick cure of 30 seconds because I try not to overcure my base. So as you can see, I've already applied one tip. These are full cover tips, and I've etched the underside, as you can see, and I'm applying Synergy Clear. This is a builder gel. And what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to flip the client's hand from her perspective. I'm going to apply the tip from cuticle on down and ever so slightly press the gel. And then I'm going to bring it to this little lamp and give it a flash cure. Notice that I don't put it directly in front of the lamp all the way right at once, because with this lamp, there's a heat spike. So I do it from a distance, I do it from a corner, and then I bring it in closer. And I'm also going to give everything a full cure. But I do that because her nails can actually apply quite crookedly. So I do need to do it from her perspective in order to make sure that the nails are straight. After I've done that, I give the nails a cleanse, or maybe I forgot to do that at this point because there's a little leakage. And so I'm going around with this diamond, is it a diamond bit? I forget what they call this, crosscut bit. And I am making sure the cuticle is nice and flush, removing any spillage. I tried to use this to etch the surface of the tip, but then I decided, forget that. Let's just get the 150 grit sanding band. It's so much better for the job. And I do this on all the nails. So this is the full extent of the prep. And I think here, what am I doing here? I think I'm applying base here. Yeah, I think I'm applying the base. And so here I am getting, yes, builder gel. That's what I'm applying, builder gel, because I want to apply some glitter. So I'm getting this fine black glitter, and I'm just getting it all over the base of the gel, the base of the nail, because it's going to be a little bit of a backdrop. As you can see, I'm adding gold, and then I'm adding bits of tinsel and more sparkle, chunky glitters, black glitter, smaller sizes. It's an actual mix that I'm creating. And I'm just building it on the nail to try to get full coverage, but also keep it just a little translucent. And I've actually got to put up a picture of where we're drawing our inspiration, because we're going back kind of to a set that I did on her nails like Christmas, New Year's. And this is a New Year's set that we're doing for her right now. So we wanted to draw inspiration from the other nail. Now you guys saw how I just run my nails across the sidewalls like that, was because the nail was going to lose its shape. So I removed the excess glitter and builder gel. And then I did a layer of base coat over top, and then a layer of matte top coat. And it's as smooth as a baby's bottom. And now I'm taking, I think this is Born Pretty stamping gel in black. And I'm doing just that regular candy cane stripe kind of a vibe. But almost when you change the color of these stripage, it's like it's not even a candy cane anymore. It's just lines at this point. So I'm doing that. Some of them I'm going to fill in. Some of them I won't be, because you'll be able to see that glitter peeking through. And here we are, just filling them. I'm trying to keep my strokes as thin as possible, because when I tell you this stuff is pigmented, a little goes a long way, and you do not want to mess up its ability to cure all the way through, because it's, oh my gosh, so pigmented. And I'm using my Moreca brushes. It's like a micro detailer to do it. Oh, look at how perfectly applied that nail is. Flush, honey. And so yeah, here you go. I'm gonna give that a full 60-second cure. Now these nails I did have a little trouble with, because first of all, it's full cover. So you see me applying my trusted Young Nails protein bond, right? To make sure my coat sticks. Okay, so I am applying a thin, or what I assume is a thin coat of that same Born Pretty stamping gel. And let me just tell you, I had to cure and cure and cure and cure. I should have just cut my losses, man, or been smarter and just used perfect black. I don't know why. Oh, you paint with this stuff. to be honest. And if you're not sure about your heavy-handedness, you better not try to do a full coverage nail because you are going to be screwed trying to cure the black specifically. Anyways, we got through it. So I'm going to do a full cover of this nail. And then I mixed I think a not polished color and a roslyn color. The not polish is from not polished. The roslyn gel was from AliExpress to create kind of this metallic gold, because we are going to use gold embellishments. And I'm just kind of creating those wonky shaped icicles that, you know, just kind of like frost and stuff over the winter time. So I wouldn't call this Christmas nails. I would call these winter nails, with a very loose Christmas inspiration. I guess the candy cane nail would be the only Christmas reference, I guess. Anyway, I'm doing this along the cuticle area, trying to keep it pigmented, like just because in some places it's not as opaque. So trying to keep it opaque, but not build too high that it loses its shape at the cuticle, or it doesn't cure all the way through. So I do that, and then I give a full cover of base to even it out. And I'm coming in with, as you guys can see, the IBD base coat. So, sorry, builder gel. So I'm applying a bit, right? Because we're going to use it to adhere. But then I'm also taking this star embellishment and I'm rolling it in that builder gel because I want it to be fully coated. Then I put it on the nail, right? And what am I going to do? I'm going to get some more of that builder gel and just work it over that star and in the corners and crevices, and encase that embellishment in it, as well as even out the lines of demarcation, give it a full cure, and then go over all of it with a matte top coat, because I was trying to prevent it from being crazy like rusted over time. So this is B441, a color recommended to me by Nail Slay by Val. As you can see, I'm doing a full cover coat, so that means that I went in with Young Nails Protein Bond ahead of time. And oh my gosh, look at this. I did have to do 3 coats, but she looked like she grew these, right? 3 coats, 60-second cure. Such a good flesh tone color. So I'm doing those classic snowflakes, you know, the dots. I remember one time ago when I tried this for the first time and it did not go well. So we have grown since then. I remember doing that voiceover and laughing through the entire thing, because it's like, what is she doing? She being me. Future me is kind of mean, man. Future me is kind of mean to past me. So there's some videos that I cringe at. Let me know if I should do like a review, not a review, but like a what the hell was she thinking video on videos that I've done. That could be kind of cool. Anyway, I've done enough of the dots, and now I'm just running my micro detailer through them to connect the snowflakes, and then I give them a full 60-second cure, and then I top coat this nail, because that's a wrap for that, for sure. Definitely a wrap for these nails. Oh, that's a lie. Oh, she's a liar. I put a little bit of IBD builder gel. I put the stones in there, and then I fully cure, and then I run some top coat over these snowflakes, because the rest of the nail is going to remain matte, but the snowflakes and the gemstone are going to be glossy. She's a liar. It was not a wrap for that nail. Oh my gosh. Anyway, so there were 3 nude nails, and on the last 2 I'm going to do a French. Now let the record show that your girl was tripping and she did not put a coat of freaking matte top coat, because I didn't want the nail to get chunky. So I trusted in the process. Here I am going in again with the Born Pretty stamping gel, like I didn't learn my lesson on the full cover nail. But you know what? Interestingly enough, the Frenches didn't give me any problem. I think I learned. So here's what we're doing with the rest of that metallic gel that we had left over from that icicle nail. We're just doing a series of dots along the French line, which in retrospect, maybe I shouldn't have spent as much time, because trust me, I did spend a lot of time making this French perfect if I was going to do that. But I was like so worried that just the negative space where you could see the lines would be out of whack, that it would have ruined the entire look. So I spent quite a bit of time. To all the people that are getting their nails done and think, oh my gosh, Frenches are so awesome, let's do it. Nail technicians hate you. We hate you for that. We hate you and your damn French nails and your French, your self that desire, your French desiring self, French nail desiring self. We hate you. No, we love y'all, but for real. So then I cure that, and I actually put matte top coat over that entire thing. Now that I think, I probably should have just kept the metallic of it all shiny. Anyway, you live and you learn. This nail is very simple. I'm just drawing a sweater outline with some Born Pretty black stamping gel, and it's your classic sweat. I didn't really like this nail because I think I could have drawn the sweater pattern just a bit. I think I have something against sweater nails. And you know what probably would have made it a lot cuter, even though it like wasn't drawn on as well as I would have liked? If I had just done an embossed look, but I had to tread quite carefully with this with this Born Pretty stamping gel because I already had curing issues with it. Had I been doing just a gel polish, fine. But and even that would have been risky because black anything is a problem. But anyways, I cured that, and now I'm doing sorry for the shaky camera, the builder gel again, IBD, because we're adding another embellishment. Okay, now this embellishment, you can see it's a little tiny bow, and I've put a rhinestone in the center. That rhinestone did not come with the bow. I put it on there so that we could tie in the snowflake nails. Now, just the way that I rolled those other embellishments in builder gel, I'm gonna put builder gel all over this charm because I do not want it to start just losing its color and just corroding and all these different things while on the nails. So I work that build, and also this helps it to stay in place. Like I'm working on adhesion as well. So I'm getting builder gel. I'm making sure it's on the tails of the ribbons, the little bunny ears, all of it. And you guys, here we are. Finished video, the finished look. So let me know what you guys think. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys for doing so. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.